Get paid by watching movies. Make money online. Looking for simple ways to make money online? Want to earn cash just by watching movies? Well, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll explore 4 websites that pay you for enjoying your favorite films. So stay tuned and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Welcome to Profitability Plus, the channel where we keep it straightforward and practical when it comes to making money online. No corporate jargon here, just actionable tips and information. Let's dive into how you can earn by watching movies. Our first stop is filmtagger.com. This gem allows you to get paid for watching movies while helping categorize them. You can find films by genre, theme, location, and more. By tagging keywords, you'll assist others in discovering the movies they're looking for. We'll use these tags to maximize your earnings. Now, let's head over to Netflix. Although it might seem far-fetched, you can work as a movie tagger for Netflix and make up to $300 a day. Your job is to watch Netflix content and tag it with keywords to improve user experience. The only catch is you'll have to keep an eye on their job board since positions open periodically. Next up, Nielsen. This global research company pays you for simply using your smartphone as usual. By installing the Nielsen app, you'll have them understand consumer behavior. No need to change your viewing habits, and you can win cash prizes in their monthly sweepstakes. And our next website, wintub.com, offers a chance to earn up to $2.48 every 3 minutes of watching videos, including commercial ads and movies. You can also refer friends for additional earnings. Once you've reached the minimum amount, you can transfer your money to your bank account, PayPal, or Gcash. It's a simple way to make some extra cash. Media Rewards offers a neat way to earn while watching TV. You can choose the shows or movies you want to watch and get paid for it. The app runs discreetly in the background as you enjoy your favorite programs. You earn points for every minute the app runs. Additionally, you can make extra cash by taking surveys, potentially pocketing up to $10 per survey. When it comes to payments, Media Rewards provides multiple options, including PayPal, Visa prepaid cards, and gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon. Keep in mind that they open limited spots each month, so be sure to request an invite and download the app to get started. Do you dream of getting paid to watch your favorite movies? Well, starting your own movie-themed YouTube channel can make that a reality. Channels like Screen Junkies, Watch Mojo, and What Culture are excellent examples. They create content centered around movies, offering top 10 lists, movie reviews, and unique takes on trailers. You get to pick the movies you want to watch and then craft videos discussing them. Your content can be as simple or as creative as you like. For instance, Screen Junkies is famous for its Honest Trailer series, providing humorous takes on movie trailers. Cinema Scenes takes a different route, tallying scenes or issues in films. Keep in mind that YouTube itself doesn't pay you to create videos. Instead, when your channel accumulates enough views, you can become a YouTube partner. As a partner, you'll earn money from the advertisements displayed in your videos. Reports indicate that YouTubers typically earn between $0.25 and $7 for every 1,000 views. Payments are sent to your AdSense account, and you have various options, such as electronic funds transfer, or EFT, and checks. Moreover, there are additional avenues for earning, like creating sponsored content for brands or selling your own merchandise. You might have heard of mystery shopping, which typically involves evaluating retail stores. But did you know it extends beyond just shops? You can be a movie mystery shopper and get paid to visit places like restaurants and movie theaters. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn while enjoying a movie. Companies like Regal Cinemas, AMC Theaters, and others hire mystery shoppers. Your task is to assess aspects like cleanliness and staff behavior. Sometimes, you even get free movie snacks. If you're passionate about movies, Consider starting your own blog. You can write about your favorite films, upcoming releases, and whatever movie-related topics you love. With a blog, you have the freedom to choose what you want to write about and watch the movies that interest you. To get started, purchase a domain name and hosting from sites like Bluehost, HostGator, or GoDaddy. Use platforms like WordPress.org to publish your blog posts. Regularly uploading content will help you build an audience. You can make money through methods like displaying Google Ads, incorporating affiliate links, and creating sponsored content. The more traffic your blog attracts, the more income potential you have. But remember that it takes effort and patience up front. If you enjoy sharing your thoughts on films, consider working as a movie critic. Also known as movie reviewers, critics watch movies and provide their opinions. You can explore platforms like Masterclass, Study.com, or job search sites like Indeed to learn about opportunities. Look for movie critic positions on job boards like entertainmentcareers.net or use ZipRecruiter. It's a great way to get paid for watching movies while sharing your perspective. Let's dive into the world of closed captioning jobs. Closed captioners are the unsung heroes behind those helpful captions you see when you click the CC button on platforms like Amazon Prime. These captions are a lifeline for individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing. Now, the good news is that this job pays you to watch movies and TV shows. However, it's worth noting that it's not the most thrilling way to make money while watching films. But hey, you're still getting paid for enjoying your favorite shows and movies, right? Here are some places where you can find closed captioning jobs. Rev Captioning Star. According to Rev, top earners can make a respectable $1,574 a month working with their company. Now, about those dream jobs with streaming platforms, it's not just Netflix that offers opportunities to get paid for watching content. Other streaming giants like Amazon Prime, Hulu, Sling TV, and HBO may also have positions that involve watching movies and TV shows. While these gigs may not always be available, it's definitely worth keeping an eye on their job boards to snag an opportunity when it arises. So if you've ever wondered, can I get paid to watch Amazon Prime, or would Hulu pay me to watch movies or TV shows? The answer is a potential yes. Check out these companies and stay on the lookout for openings. It's a simple way to combine your love for entertainment with earning some extra cash. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus for more money-making tips. And if you want a part 2 of this video, drop your country name in the comments below. Your support means the world to us. There you have it, the websites where you can make money by watching movies. As you can see, it's more realistic than you might think. So start exploring these platforms and put your movie watching skills to good use. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.